Hi, and welcome to Virtual Eats Guru, where barbecue and grilling's made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we're going to smoke up some wings here. So we've got some kind of the drumlets and the winglets, kind of the smaller ones. You can do it on any type of chicken wings that you want to. This is just one of our favorite ways to do it, kind of a party mix. And this is a really pretty straightforward, simple way to do it. Maybe a little different than some of the ways that you might have done it in the past. But if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate the support. And so on this one, we're going to basically put some seasoning on them. And one thing to mention is you want to make sure that the wings are fully thawed out and that the skin's dry. If the skin's wet or not fully thawed out, a lot of times you won't get that crispy skin that you want to get. And also, you know, whatever your favorite type of rub is for chicken, recommend using that. I'm using the Traeger chicken rub. It's just one of our favorites and goes really well on this. I've done some other videos with wings, and I'll provide some links, different ways to do them. There'll be some similarity to this, but a little bit different on how this comes out. And then at the end, the reason that I put this video together was because we had a friend introduce us to this Moore's buffalo sauce. This is a buffalo wing sauce, and this is a buffalo with creamy ranch. This stuff is dynamite. So, you know, if you can't get it at your local store, I'm sure you can find it online, but man, it is spectacular on these wings. And so we're just going to do a base rub, and this seasoning's relatively salty, and so, you know, I don't season both sides. I just season one side pretty decent and evenly. And then we're actually going to put the Traeger on smoke at 180 for about 30 minutes. And that gets you kind of a base layer of smoke, but not too much to where the skin ends up getting kind of rubbery or what have you. And then we're going to turn it up to high, and that'll probably take somewhere between 40 minutes at the low end to 60 minutes at the high end. That's a taste and preference thing. It's how crispy do you want the skin to be and how much fat you want to have that rendered. And one thing to note too is I really recommend starting out with a clean drip pan and the shield pan, because these things really put out a lot of grease and fat and that type of stuff, and so it smokes up a ton, but man, it renders all that fat and you get all that tasty crispy skin. So with that, I'll get to seasoning these, and we'll let that sit for probably 5-10 minutes. We'll get them on the smoker, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so I turned it up and had these on for just over 45 minutes, under 50, and they turned out perfect. We like them nice and crispy, but still, juicy inside. Taste and preference deal. You can cook them shorter if you want, or even a bit longer if you want a little more crispy, but man, these turned out really good. I went ahead and sauced up a couple of these just to taste test them, and then we'll put them in and add some more sauce to them and eat them. But let's give it a try. This is the traditional buffalo sauce, Moore's buffalo sauce, and I already know these are good. Oh man, some of my favorites. Real good vinegar flavor to them, real tangy, good spice, real good taste. All right, so now let's try the creamy ranch buffalo wing sauce. See, I haven't had this one before, so we'll give it a try. That's excellent too. It gets that nice, if you like, a little bit of a ranch flavor, a little more creamy. Excellent. Both these sauces are great, so it'll make good for both. So if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate the support. These are awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.